Started.
But what the hell they caught up to me?
Hey, I happened
Hello.
to find one of those helmets. Fall back, buddy, fall back.
Oh, goodness gracious. We are under attack.
I'm stuck behind it.
Hey, only use a single door.
Good idea, good idea.
Bandage if you need. Repack mags.
Jesus fuck.
Only use one of the doors.
Hey, Andrew, close that door.
One door at a time.
Yep.
Only use a single door. That way we can at least follow the.
There won't be a tunnel.
One spot.
Do any
That's the
comrades
idea.
need medicine? Does anyone need medicine?
Yeah, I'd need some. I got hit by like 5 or 6 bone shards, so.
Any more?
Try this.
Back up.
Up, crawler,
Hey,
crawler.
behind you. Ah, goodness gracious, you are saviors in disgusting time.
Quick question.
Again, everyone, repack
Yeah.
mags real fast.
Mag check.
Have you seen my platoon? Did they come through here?
We haven't seen
you're
anyone
the,
else yet.
First person we've seen.
This is disgusting. Where did they go? They were heading in this direction, and we got split up. There was a big horde, and then, it seems I got lost. There was so much fighting. So much fighting until it was disgusting. You were sure you've seen no platoon?
No, you're the first person we've seen. We hunkered down here for warmth. We were heading north, I think. We probably meet them there.
I think they were heading west. I lost track of them. This horde that had been following us for so long separated us from squad.
Oh. Okay. Fancy looking helmet you have there.
This is very high tech. Very high tech. We call it Hornet helmet.
Oh, okay. I happened to come across one.
You come across one. Yeah, this is ultra advanced technology. How do you just come across one?
There was a guy at the crater standing there with it on, and I kind of wanted it. So I knocked him out, and I took the helmet. But last I checked, he was still living when I left him. I didn't leave him in the gas or nothing, so...
So you were admitting to assaulting a stag agent.
I didn't know he was stag until
Jax is
after
being
the
dumb.
fact.
Jackson's gonna do.
Listen, folks, let's, how about we sort, the actual problem out first, and then we can, cut each other's throats later. How about that?
No, it seems
There's
we have
nothing
sorted the
else.
problem out right here.
Yeah, there's nothing else outside.
Bad safe.
Yeah.
You see. This
They
rain
look
will
like
not
shit,
relent.
but they're eternally they're human. So
Yeah.
well, we can do one of two things. We can either help him try to get back to his people, or we can continue north. That's your guys' decision. I'm just here for the ride.
I mean, helping out a corporate person could benefits.
Where did you say they were heading?
Said they're heading west.
Heading west, yes, we're heading towards Hazeland's docks. There's nothing stag can do to help this area. Not now. We can provide aid after this aftermath is complete.
I could
Paislin's
provide
docks isn't that
escort
Okay, we
far.
do.
And
there.
I'm sure Stag would be friendly.
Yeah, let's just get him to the docks.
Yeah, let's get him
Then
there.
we can
Won't
continue
be a big
north.
deal.
Those who
Yeah.
help their people.
That'll work.
Right?
Well, let's be on our way there. Graceland's docks. They may have already set sail. If we are late, I will miss both home.
Alright, well, we're only a kilometer
Okay.
out. So, if they're at the end of the dock where the professionals were, it won't be that bad.
Yeah.
Lead the way. I am unfamiliar. I am not navigator.
Yeah, if you see more of them, shoot him in the legs first.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Are we missing one?
I think Drew might have passed out.
Yeah.
Alright. We're almost there.
Keep eyes peeled for Espen dogs. They are not out in region trying to tamper with whatever they have been working on here.
Huh.
We received increased reports of activity in certain locations on Isle, specific areas that people have no business in being. Undoubtedly, it was Espen, in the power plant, in some sort of facility, and then some very strange activity down by the Crater
Huh.
Isle.
I see. Odd.
Espen is up to something and it is no good at all. Undoubtedly what has caused this disgusting weather.
Yeah, it is terrible. It's kind of hard to navigate through. I haven't
Yeah.
seen that many mutated infected in a long time.
Doc's
either.
over here.
This is not good. This is not good whatsoever.
Do you have another rendezvous point?
Nee, we have no such thing. This was the agreed location. Either they did not make it this far, or they have already had to set sail. They may have had to leave before the storm gets into full capacity.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever will I do? I have no home. And the radio signals, they're disastrous in this weather.
Do you know another place they could be stopping by on the way out, or are they just going straight back to Russia?
Guys,
They
mutated
will have been
infected over the
trying
wall
to
by the
work
corner of the
in,
warehouse and construction.
Alright, we should fall inside.
I saw one peeking its head up. I think. Saw the orange.
We could get in one of these warehouses and close the door and use the small door as a funnel point.
Yeah, there's a couple of them.
Just prep it. Close those 2 big doors.
Yeah, we have more coming from this direction.
Reloading. Aim for legs. Aim for legs.
Left side, left side.
I'm very low on ammunition. That's me out. This is terrible.
Start picking up crawlers.
Yep.
They're coming from everywhere.
Inside, fall inside.
I can't run. Oh dear.
Shit, shit, shit.
Inside, inside.
Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Ah!
Friendly. Woo.
Yep.
I'm out of ammunition again. Does anyone need stag stim pack?
I need medicine. I need bandages.
Here, I'll give you half of mine. Come here. Take those.
Take these too. Take these.
Thank you.
I am
Jesus
out of
Christ,
ammunition, but I have medicine.
The fucking horde out there. What the shit?
They always come in this sort of weather. At least in big numbers.
Here you go.
Give me a minute. Drop it. Just put it on the ground. I'll pick it up. We gotta go. We'll go get Dallas. Alright.
On you, bud.
We should funnel them through. Like they were suggesting. Oh shit! Alphas!
Alphas?
I need to get
Fuck.
inside. Every fucking time!
No shit.
I'm good. I'm good.
What?
Good, you're
What
good?
about your
All right.
friend?
I don't have
What
my gun.
about your friend outside?
I have to get out there and get him.
Is he with them?
He's alive.
Yeah, clearly. We gotta go help Dallas. The Alpha's on a building.
The building? Crap!
Wait! Don't! Jax, don't shoot the Alpha! Don't shoot the Alpha! For once, it's a leave the Alpha alive. Look! Andrew, don't shoot them. Don't waste your time. They're attacking the Alpha. They are fighting the Alpha. Dallas.
Yeah, it's just
The
rather
infected are
strange
attacking the
behavior.
I'm
Alpha.
at it.
Don't worry about it. It's keeping all of them distracted.
I'm only picking off the ones that
No, it's stuck up there. It's not moving or trying to do anything.
Oh, there it goes.
Uh-oh.
It's fighting! They're fighting the Alpha!
Jax, I need help. I need you to get the infected off me. I'm bleeding. Cut twice.
Is Andrew alive still?
Andrew should be fine. Just trying to reload. Fucker cut me hit me twice.
Outside.
Yep, we have infected at the door.
Yeah, I'm trying to get up top.
Oh, you. Oh, fuck, you're in the building with me. Oh, it's on me. Dallas. Oh, shit, don't get in my way! Stop! Oh, shit, I'm slow. Hello. Hi. Can I?
It's angry! It's angry!
Yeah, Jax. I'm.
No!
just let him circle me. Don't shoot me.
Heard.
He's just gonna keep chasing me.
Oh yeah, Dallas.
Ah, shit!
Ilana. Alright, it's not on me anymore.
Whoever it's on. Where are you going? Oh shit.
Lana, just sprint to everyone. Everyone get in a line over here real fast. I'm gonna run past you guys with the Alpha. Oh, he's on fucking stag guy.
Stag guy, run towards us! It's down. What's your name, by the way,
Oh,
so we
that
can
was-
call you a
I need
name?
bandages.
Holy shit. Here,
Oh,
here,
shit.
Stack, hold up. Stack, over
I
here.
do
Take
not
this.
feel good.
I need
Take
bandages.
it. Right-
Hit him
right
with
in front
it.
of
Just
you,
hit him
man.
with
I
it.
got
Hit him
both
with it.
Oh, fuck.
Uh-oh.